What's up, YouTube? It's your boy James back with another banger. And today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 14 Hyper Royal. So the Air Jordan 14 silhouette is modeled and inspired by Michael Jordan's favorite car, which is the Ferrari. And it was designed by Tinker Hatfield. Now this was the silhouette that Michael Jordan wore in his very last game with the Chicago Bulls when he hit that last shot to beat the Utah Jazz. Now this colorway that we're looking at right now was released at the end of October and had a retail price tag of $190. These were available at all retailers, including the Nike Sneakers app. Now, like mostly every other retro sneaker that was released this year, this sold out immediately. Now, just like I always do, I did put a claim in on the Nike Sneakers app, but I took an L there. However, I wasn't putting all my eggs in one basket. I did get in the line at Dick's Sporting Goods where I was able to secure this pair that you see right here. Now, I've had my struggles getting any shoes through Dick's Sporting Goods, and most people actually forget that they do get a lot of hype releases. They don't get them all, but when they do, it is a little bit easier, in my opinion, to obtain them from Dick's Sporting Goods. However, they don't ship the shoes right away. Whenever I did get the W on this one, they told me that they weren't going to be shipped out until October 10th, which was 2 weeks later. But I was just happy to get the shoe because I really wanted this colorway, I really wanted this silhouette, and I wanted to be able to bring this review to you. So if you're a fan of the Jordan 14 silhouette, or you're thinking about picking this shoe up on the resale market, then I hope that this review can help you. What we're going to do today is I'm going to unbox these shoes. We're going to do a detailed review, I'm going to hit you with it on feet, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts on the Air Jordan 14 Hyper Royal. If this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. If you guys could do that thing that I like and destroy that like button for me, I would appreciate it greatly. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So the Air Jordan 14 has eluded me for quite some time. Every time they've come out with a colorway that I liked, I did put a claim in on the Sneakers app or tried to get them at a retailer, but I've been unlucky up until this point. I've taken L's on every single one that I've tried to get. But for this release, my luck actually changed. I wanted this shoe for so long. Like when I saw it online about 3 months prior to it being released, I was like, yes, 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 I'm going after that shoe. I don't care. Even if I gotta pay a little bit of resale on it, I'm copping that shoe. So the day of release comes and, I go to Dick's Sporting Goods and I go to the website and it let me in. It let me put it in the cart and I was like, yes, I finally got it. Get all the way to the end, put in my credit card information, do my shipping information, all that stuff. And then it says that it won't be shipped out until October 10th. And I'm like, man, that's 2 weeks away. I don't know if I could wait that long. But okay, alright, cool. Well, at least I got the shoe, I got this W, and a lot of other people that I know that wanted this shoe, took L's on it and, were very disappointed. So now I'm able to bring this review to you and show you the shoe that I got that I'm kind of excited about because it just arrived. Alright, so here we go. This is the box. It comes in this silver box. This has a red Jumpman on the top of the lid. And not a lot going on the sides or anything. So, this retailed for $190. The size tag reads Air Jordan 14 Retro White Black Hyper Royal, and this is a size 8. Inside the box you have your white tissue paper. Yo. BAM! Man, I can't lie to you, man. In hand, this thing is ridiculously dope. One reason why I never pick up any of these shoes, like on the resale market, like on eBay or anything like that, is because even if they're dead stock, and they say like they've never been worn or anything, for some reason, this back part where it has the 23 and the Jumpman is always super yellow, so I never pull the trigger. But these ones ain't yellow, man. This shoe's dope. I mean, these shoes look really nice like in the pictures on the internet, but in hand, guys, in hand, I'm impressed. I mean, like this thing right here looks nice, really nice. It's a very, very clean shoe. I could really see why this is some people's favorite retro. This is actually my first time holding a Jordan 14 period. Like I've never had them, I have friends that have them or, stuff like that, but I've never actually, hey, let me see your shoe, take it off. I've never done anything like that. So this is the first time I've actually like owned a pair or actually have held a pair at all. But now that I got these things unboxed, let's go ahead and take an up close look at the Air Jordan 14 Hyper Royal. So here's our first up close look at the Air Jordan 14. So starting at the top here, you're gonna have this leather upper, and this is kind of a harder kind of leather. Moving down to the middle of the shoe, this mid panel has this soft tumbled leather with the perforated holes. Now coming down to the midsole, you have this white leather right here, and then you have this blue Hyper Royal painted part. Right here in the center, you're going to have this carbon fiber. And then moving up towards the front of the shoe, you have that Hyper Royal painted teeth right there on top of the white midsole. And it comes to the front toe box where you have a black Jordan Jumpman. And then this has white laces with a leather tongue with the same material as the mid panel here. And then at the top of the tongue you have this black tab and it says Jordan in Hyper Royal blue. Now on the inner part of the shoe you're going to have your white leather upper like you do on the other side, and you do have this soft tumbled leather, but inside the shoe it goes all the way to almost the heel. Now moving on to the back of the shoe, this is one of my favorite parts of the shoe. So at the top you're going to have this blue part in cloth, and then you're going to have this Jordan Jumpman in black with the number 23, and I think that that looks so dope. Now inside the shoe you're going to have an all white sock liner with a blue insole with a white Jumpman. And then behind the tongue here you have this tongue, and I really do like this tongue. I mean, this shoe is inspired by the Ferrari, so this tongue reminds me of like a seatbelt. But you do have the 14 in Roman numerals, and then you have your tag right there. Now on the bottom of the shoe, this is one thing I don't like, is the all white outsole, but you do have that all white outsole, and then in the center here you have that black number 14 in Roman numerals. In the middle of the shoe you have the black carbon fiber with the blue Jumpman. So each retro Jordan 14 has 7 Jumpmans on each shoe. So when you combine those, it ends up to being 14. And I'm going to show you where they're all at. So starting here, you're going to have that Ferrari-inspired Jordan Jumpman, which is 1. On the back, you have that one, which is 2. On the front toe box, you have that black Jumpman underneath the laces, which is 3. Now the laces on these have the like chrome plastic tips that each have a Jordan Jumpman on it, which makes 5. Then inside the sock liner and the insole you have the white Jumpman, which is 6. And then on the bottom of the shoe you have that blue Jumpman, which is 7. So just, you know, some nice little information if you want to wear that. So far, I really do like the colorway of the shoe. It is very nice, and I think that these are really dope. And the quality and everything like that look pretty good. You know, a little bit of flaws here and there on the paint, but other than that, not too bad. And I don't know, guys. Let me go ahead and throw these things on and show you what they look like on feet. If you're interested in picking up this shoe right here, the resale market for these is actually not that bad. Depending upon size, you know, they're going for like around like the $230 to $260 range, which isn't bad considering the retail is $190 and they're completely sold out everywhere. But if you want to pay the couple extra little dollars and pick these up, I wouldn't blame you at all. So what do I think about the Air Jordan 14 Hyper Royals? Well, to be honest with you guys, I love them. They're actually pretty comfortable. I think that they're really stylish. I do like, you know, like the hints of the Ferrari and how they're subbing Jordan Jumpmans on each shoe. And, you know, I don't know. This is just a really nice colorway. You know, from a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give these an 8. And this isn't a shoe that everybody's walking around wearing every day. So, you know, if you're wearing this, you know, you're going to stand out a little bit. But guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Air Jordan 14 Hyper Royals. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching the video. And everybody who's subscribed to the channel, thank you so much, guys. We're on that road to 500 subscribers. We're getting bigger every single day, and I thank you guys for that. Thank you so much. But before you bounce out, if you guys could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for me, if you haven't already done so, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.